what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday. I don't have a video recorded in advance. I'm lying. I do have a video, but it was like super short. And I'll just go ahead and insert it now so y'all can watch it. Today's video is gonna be what is in my planner bag. And this is a video that I've been wanting to do for some time. I actually moved back into this, and that's why I figured I would show you all now. So I actually was carrying around just like my planner with like a little pencil pouch that I had gotten, but this is the normal bag that I carry around. I love it so much. It's super cute. I got this on, I think it was Shein actually, but they sell similar ones to this on Amazon. I'll make sure to link some below and also link the one that I got. I know a lot of people don't support Shein, but whenever I'm placing an order for like clothes for myself, I'll just go ahead and add a couple of like stationery products. I'm a plus size girly, so it's really hard for me to find clothes that are my size that are like from sustainable places, and honestly majority of the time I'm having to like go to Shein, so then I get to take advantage and add stuff like this to my order. But let's go ahead and take a look. So what's really cool about this is that I'm able to fit a lot in it. So I carry my planner, which is a Hobonichi A5. So this is basically about the size of an A5, and my Hobonichi is not thin. Like, I mean, compared to some people that maybe like do a little bit more memory planning in their planner, it is a little thinner, but it's still, you know, I feel like it's on the thicker side. But in here, I also have this little like folder from the Coffee Monster Co. that houses some sticker sheets, more sticker sheets, like all these stickers. And then I also have these in here, which is like little stickers that I've placed in here from the Coffee Monster Co. and other small shops. And I just love carrying this with me because you just never know when you need a little sticker here and there. What I also have in here are like majority of my mouth liners. Basically anything that I can see myself reaching for is in here, or anything that I could like need on the go. I live in a 2-story home, and sometimes, if I'm being honest, I'm too lazy to go upstairs or go like anywhere in the house. Like, I just want to have everything that I need with me at once. And I used to carry like a planner bag, like a tote bag, but I've gotten away from that since I've kind of minimalized my system a little bit. I wouldn't say minimalized, but I've simplified my system. So I have all my mouth liners because I love using mouth liners in my planner. I have 2 pens. I have my Muji pen, my Sarasa pen. I also have this like little dot sticker by Zig. I love it. And I have some sticky notes. So I have these right now from Daiso that I got recently. You just never know when you need a sticky note, sometimes to like add like a reminder or something that may possibly change. Or honestly, like it happens to me all the time. I'll show you all like right now. I don't think I'm using a sticky note, but yeah, see, I have a sticky note here. I added these in here with like washi for like, you know, reminders or whatever the case may be, because it didn't fit in my planner. So I do that all the time. Like when I run out of space, I'll just use a sticky note. I also carry these. I actually got these at Kinokuniya, I'm pretty sure. And it's just like a ton of like little, it's a notepad. So these aren't sticky notes, but I like using these at my planner. Like I'll add them with like a little piece of washi or something like that. Sometimes I do add extra stuff on here that I like using. Right now it's pretty empty, but I also carry my washi. So I don't think I have every single one of my washis in here. Like as far as the Coffee Monster Co. ones, I mainly like carrying the Coffee Monster Co. ones. Everything else that I have is just left in my office because the way I see it, if I need it, then I can just come back to it at some point. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in my planner bag. I feel like actually this was a really short video. I didn't expect it to be this short, but it's fine. But yeah, this is all I carry. And even, like I said, my planner's pretty like packed. I have a lot of stuff in here. Like I even have like a little, I actually did these recently. I have like a little, like, I guess, little zipper baggy thing. It's supposed to be for jewelry, but I put like my books that I'm going to be reading. And it's just like in sticker paper to make it easier for me to add to my planner. And yeah, like, I mean, my planner's pretty big, and it still fits in here, and it fits with room. Like I could fit other stuff in here if I wanted to. So Yeah, I love this little pouch. And honestly, I may get me like a little tote or something that I can carry, because I'm also doing like my Bible study, so I want to carry that with me as well. But I love this thing, and I just wanted to show you all how I carry, or what I carry in my planner bag. But that was me recording my what I carry in my planner bag. It's a pretty small bag. I got it from Shein. I explained all that, so I don't have to repeat myself, but that's what I carry around the house, and I love it so much. But today is Saturday. Right now we have to go to church. I'm an outfit repeater. I wore this, I think, on Thursday to go to the mall. It's just like this top, and I'm wearing like a skirt. But yeah, I didn't want to like really put thought into like what I'm gonna wear. It's supposed to be kind of like formal, and Matthew's wearing like a blue guayabera and like Dockers, like khaki pants. And I was like, well, what do I wear? And I started like trying stuff on. I was like, I'm starting to get down. Like, I'm not even gonna think about it. Like, this is too much. Because I started like trying on some of my dresses, and I'm like, gosh, like these don't even fit. Like, what's the point? And so I got a little frustrated, and I was like, no, I'm just gonna go ahead and like wear what I wore on Thursday. I felt cute. I was comfortable. So I'm an outfit repeater. But anyways, I just wanted to start off the vlog. It's Saturday. I really don't know if we're going to be doing much, because we for sure have to go to this church thing. It's at 10 o'clock, and right now it is 9 o'clock. Well, I think it's at 10:30 actually, but right now it's 9 o'clock, and I wanted to make sure to get ready early because I wanted to eat before we left. And just because I've noticed if I don't eat like breakfast, lunch, and dinner and like a snack, I do get a headache. So I just wanted to make sure to like have something in my stomach for the church. I don't know how long it's gonna be, so I wanted to make sure to have some food. But I'm gonna sit down, just hang out for now. But like I said, this is where I was going with it. I kind of forgot what I was talking about. But I don't think we're gonna have much to do today, because first off, the church thing, but Caesar has like, he's a schnauzer, and schnauzers are very prone to like kind of these like skin conditions. I don't know. And every now and then he gets like a bump on his body, and like it will like gush, and it's like a whole thing. And it hasn't been super bad, but he has one on his paw, and we have a cone on him. We're like monitoring him. They're like benign, like there's really like no reason to take him to the vet just yet, but we're still monitoring it just in case like at any point we need to like take him somewhere. And so we don't want to leave him alone for like a long period of time. We got him some calming treats that we're gonna give him. We gave him one last night just to like test it out, see how he felt with it. And we're probably going to give him one before we leave, so he can kind of like just chill out, go to sleep, since we're going to be gone for at least, I would say, 3 hours, but we don't want to leave him alone too long. The cone thankfully prevents him from like licking it, which I think was what was making it like worse at first, because he kept like messing with it, but now it's like drying out. He looks fine. So we definitely want to like make sure to like take care of him, monitor him. So whatever plans we thought about having are out the door. The plan is right now is to, when we get home, to give him a bath. Just like maybe not a lot of like shampoo on his body, but kind of like soak it, and then go from there. So that's the goal. But anyways, I'm going to sit down, watch some videos, just hang out for a little bit while I eat, and wait for Matthew to get ready. His hair, I think, is already done. Like, he's kind of ready. He just has to get dressed. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, the lighting is nuts. Oh, and I should probably turn on the music for a couple seconds. But we are headed to church, and here's Matthew. You look so handsome, Matthew.
Hey, buddy.
He got a little shy. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't see it. We're getting Starbucks because the lavender matcha is back. That's what I want. I just want an iced lavender cream oat milk matcha. If possible, a little light on the ice would be fantastic. Is that what you're gonna get? Oh no, I didn't realize how messed up my hair was.
No, I think I'm just gonna tell you to get a large and I'll just share.
Okay, deal. Large. I'm so excited. It's literally the best thing ever. At least in my opinion. If you haven't had it, I would definitely suggest trying it. I feel like it tastes like matcha with like a little flavor of like Fruit Loops, if I'm being honest, but it's so good. Okay, I got the drink. We got a venti because we're gonna share it. It's the best thing ever. I'm already saying it's the best thing ever, and I haven't even tried it so far. At least I know it's good because I've had this before multiple times. Like last year when it came out, I had it every single time I went to Starbucks. This is what I got, but let's go. Yeah, just as good as I remember it. Well, I guess you gotta wait. It's so good. All right, you guys, so we just got home. Oh no, I hope it's not broken, but we just got home. I placed an order on Temu because this one item, this one mug that you can see, I don't know if it's like been going viral or not, but it's gotten pretty popular, and it's like a jelly cat mug. I hope it's not broken. We'll open it here in a little bit together, but I wanted to open these packages with you all. Whenever I like place an order from like those websites, I like take advantage and buy like the couple little things that I've been like eyeing. And I had seen these and I thought they're so cute. They're like little coasters, but they're like little fabric coasters, so you can have it on your desk, and it's like yellow with like bows, and it's super adorable. I'm so excited to put that in my office. And then this, oh wow, they like packaged this very well. No, they really packaged it too well that I can't even get into it. I should have grabbed scissors. Oh, here it goes. So I've been wanting like a desk mat for my office because whenever I use my mouse, I feel like it gets, there's like a crack because I have an L-shaped desk, and there's like a little crack, and my mouse always like lays on that little crack, and I feel like I can't really like use my, like I have to continuously move it. It's a whole little, like a little hassle. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I saw this, and it's a little Labubu desk mat. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's adorable. I'm obsessed. Okay, and then the last thing I got, which is, this was why I even placed the order, so let's just hope that it's not broken because they ship it in like a bag. So I would assume it's gone through it, getting tossed around places, but let's see what this looks like. Where's the end? Okay, so it's not broken. Doesn't look like it, at least. Oh my god. Shut up. There's all these like little styrofoam things on it, but check it out. Cute. It's like a jelly cat mug, but the real thing. It's so adorable. I love it. This was, I think, like $5 or something like that. I just know that Temu has like a minimum of like, I think like $20. So the three things that I got came out to $20, but this is adorable. I think this might have been $7. I'm not sure. Maybe 10. I don't know, but it's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. And I've been wanting to get a new mug, so I love it. Look how cute it is, Matthew. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just hang out. We were planning on doing yard work, but if I'm being honest, like I was all for it. I was like, okay, fine, like we'll do it. We'll get it done and out of the way. But gosh, it got so hot. Like, how hot is it outside? Let me check. Where's my phone? It got pretty hot. Let me check it out. Yeah, 85 degrees. That's a little much, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hang out. I'm actually gonna close out this vlog because I need to edit it, and I feel like it'll be long enough with the footage that I got from yesterday. So with that being said, that's the end of vlog week. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to like regular schedule programming, which is tomorrow's a planner video, and then I will see y'all again on Tuesday. So love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you all. I'm gonna do this every single month, and in advance, like I'll let y'all know ahead of time. So it's gonna be every single month, maybe like the first week of the month. It's gonna be a vlog week. So yeah, anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Bye.